Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image in a cycle in Microsoft Word. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here. I have this picture that I inserted here. So if you don't know how to insert a picture into Microsoft Word, I did a video about this in my previous tutorial. So I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can crop it into a circle. So now I have this image, right? As you can see, I can be able to move it around. Now just select the image that you're trying to crop. And then once you select it, you will see you got this picture tab here, picture tools that is open up here. So once you select out, it's no more there, but the moment you select the picture, you got this format right here. So just open that tab, and then you have all these options, right? So now if you look into this corner right here, you have this crop right here. So don't click on that, click on the arrow at the bottom right here so that you can have option. Now once you come here, you will see crop to shape. Come down here, and then this tab should be opening up. Now you can select the shape that you want to crop your picture into. Like I said, we are going to crop it into a circle, so choose this circle right here. Now select that, and then as you can see, it has been cropped in a circle. Now select it. If you know, if it's not the format that you would like to have, just select it, and then go back to crop, and then as you can see, it's opening up. You have this crop option right here, so you can be able to move it down, crop it down into a circle, right? Crop it down. As you can see, you have these measurements right here, right? So if you want to crop it in a circle and you don't want to keep scraping one on side by side, you can just come here and then put the measurement. Let's say you want to put 6 here and then 6 down here, and then as you can see, it's starting to crop automatically by itself, right? You crop it into a circle. Now just once you're done, just click out, and then as you can see, you have cropped your image into a circle right there. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can crop an image into a circle in Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial, right? So yeah, that's it. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can style these pictures, maybe add a couple of styles and then format it as well. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.